Hello there! Allow me to introduce you to a revolutionary new way of PLC training. Yes, that's a computer. Connect the computer to PLC and that's it. This is a 3D factory simulation, and you can use it with any PLC brand, as well as the most common automation technologies. It even breathes new life to the PLCs that you already have. Let's take a look at what Factory I/O has to offer. Over 20 ready-to-use industrial applications to practice real-world control tasks. They take no space and will never wear out. You can use more than 80 parts to build a virtually unlimited number of industrial applications. With Factory I/O, you can have as many I/O points as you need. Using digital values to start or stop a machine, add analog values to weigh items or control liquid levels. Here now is one of our happy students using Factory I/O on his laptop. Having fun, isn't he? The whole classroom can gain access to industrial applications at the same time. Take Factory I/O for a test drive and enjoy the next-gen PLC training experience.